Welcome back again. It's your girl Atafa the Press. Well, my people, me here for drop the real news, news, reviews, everything in a one right this or right there, my people. So all I want to know to do is like up the video, share out the video, subscribe to my channel, my people. And if you're new to my channel, welcome. Let's get right into it.
A corrupt government cannot liberate the people. If the head of the stream is corrupt, the entire river will be also.
A pleasant good morning to you, my wisdom warriors. I hope you all are in good spirits. Anyway, my wisdom warriors, mighty God, me come across this in the article. Man fatally shot during attempted robbery of taxi in Clarendon. Who hear about this? Me telling us a crime non-stop. Crime not even reduce according to them. Remember, say every day they come out and a boast, say crime are reduce. So man fatally shot during attempted robbery of taxi in Clarendon. A pair of this a go on nowadays, Uno no see what go on. Pure robbery a go on these days. And them something you know what, them something I need to stop. A man who attempted to rob a taxi driver and passengers in Clarendon last night was disarmed by the cabbie and fatally shot during a struggle. The deceased has been identified as 24-year-old laborer Bobby Bruce of Fraser Content in Spanish Town, St. Catherine. When I hear all them something, I know my viewers and subscribers. Hey, listen, the man come for rob the taxi driver and the taxi driver disarm him. Disarm him and see there right now. Right now. See what happened? Right now he dead. Because you see these things, my viewers and subscribers, some people not understand. All them are look at youth here. 24-year-old youth this year. Look, laborer. They say my laborer. So how am a laborer and he go out and rob people? All these things. Understand? Enough of them go just say them a laborer. Enough of them just come out and say them a laborer. They not have a thing for them. Them a eyeglass. Them a eyeglass. Anyway, wanna tell me what you think about this and put on an honest opinion in the comment section. Hear this. Good Samaritan takes up mission to put Seaview parents' baby in better living conditions. The conditions under which a newborn baby and her parents are living are so deplorable that some residents of Seaview Gardens in St. Andrew this week threatened to call a government agency to intervene in the situation. Mario Wallace, founder of non-profit organization Par with Mar, said he was at home when he heard a commotion and on investigating saw a crowd voicing disapproval of the newborn's living condition. Listen, a Seaview Garden, Seaview Garden. A lot of people have money living a Seaview Garden. Look how much. So wait there. You have all the man them come from Seaview. They don't know say these things are happen. Them don't know say their neighbor. They don't know say their neighbor not living in a good condition. Don't they know this? Me not understand. Me really don't understand it. Them never know so their neighbor live like this. Look on the yard. You can't even see it properly. The picture we have, you can't even see it properly. My viewers and subscribers. But not try squeeze down on the yard there and see if you can see something. You understand me? Just imagine. A lot of people live like this right now, you know. This is why I always say, Andrew owners need to build up affordable apartments. You understand? This is what I'm talking about. This is what I'm talking about. There's a lot of people, hundreds of people living like this. Them condition is very bad. And this is why not for the time them all get ill too. You understand me? The condition is very bad. They need a place called a home. They need a place called home. And if everybody can come together and help them brothers and sisters, everything will be all right. You understand? Sometimes we have to look into yourself, and say, yo, the government no care, You can't get up every day and say government care when you know say Andrew Owners no care. Listen, Andrew Owners' focus is not on the Jamaican people right now. Andrew Owners' focus is building economy. You hear him say it all the time. So building up infrastructures that Jamaican people can't even afford. Figure this so. You understand me? Them there's something that Andrew Owners are thinking about. So no say Andrew Owners are big apartments. You never know that. And it value how much $1,000,000. Wanna hear me? Jamaican people can't afford them the rent there. Jamaican people can't afford it. So the time when them a do all of that, me not say they enough have their own business, you know. I don't business. But what I'm saying, you're the Prime Minister. There's thousands, hundreds of people in Jamaica that need your help right now. That is living in a bad condition, like this parent and them baby, newborn baby, living in a bad condition and need help. Build up infrastructure, affordable homes. Listen, Mark Golden has been saying this over 3 years now. You understand that affordable homes are needed for the Jamaican people, and not everybody own land. Me always say that, and not everybody have land. And if you not look into it, the people them and owners give house, you have to own a land. You understand me? A majority, if you check the people them will get the house, are mostly labor rights. 95% of labor rights. Some people say to me, say, no, PNP no get it. You understand? Me not so sure. But me I go by a statistic when me get. Yeah? 95% of labor right get house because them have land. What happened to the other people them? You understand? What happened to the people them when I have no land? This is why I kept saying Andrew Owners build up infrastructure for the Jamaican people. Andrew Owners stop say Andrew Owners are do good. Andrew Owners is not doing good. Not because on a year say Andrew Owners are build up infrastructure. That no means that Andrew Owners are do good because on Jamaican people are benefit from it. It's like you not get it. Look at what is happening in Westmoreland. Look what them do to the water. How comes you no pass the people them yard and make the hotel I get water, and the Jamaican people we are pay tax are also not getting any water. So somebody like that to say love Jamaica and love Jamaican people. Me tell you so no found no have no sense. Look all upon the girl when me talk about, in my last video called Amber that work on one of the radio station. For years she has been working on that radio station, and this woman I understand. You see, this is what I do not understand about some workplace. They have people that works for you for years. I believe you have to stand up for your people them. I believe when you have people that work with you for years, you have to stand up for them. You understand? It is alleged, and I talk about it in my last video. It is alleged that Matthew Samuda ring that radio station and threaten them and tell them, say, fi fire that girl, Amber. Right now, Amber is out of job. You understand? Right now, because what she did, she talk about the water crisis. And it is very upsetting for the Westmoreland people because she live in Westmoreland actually. Her family live in Westmoreland and she see what everybody is going through, including her, and she's talking about the water crisis. And they don't want her to speak up about it. And you can't have a government like this and say them are do go, them corrupt. Listen, in my last video, I couldn't get to chat properly, my viewers and subscribers. If you don't notice in my last video, I was very quiet because I was at work. You understand? So me dey at work, me have to hide and attack. A hospital, me working at, me tell you already, me working at A&E. You understand? And it was night shift. So una have to understand my viewers and subscribers. Sometimes me can't, me tell you all the while to bear with me. Sometimes me have to talk and me have to cut. You understand what I mean? Me have to hide and attack. You get me, for upload, so enough me have to the phone for upload videos because I'm a working person. You get me? Even though some people come under my comment section, so me go, they say me figure get a life. My viewers and subscribers, me can't bother. Oh, me say my body hurt me 13 side and 14 corners. When me hear they say that, me laugh, you know. Me say me laugh because they don't know me. They do not know me, you understand? They do not know my life. They don't know what I'm all about. You understand? People can assume, even if people that knew me, yeah, that was a long time ago. They don't know me now. You understand? They don't know me. They don't know what me all about. You understand me? So when I hear people come and talking things, it doesn't make any sense. It better not just bill. So my viewers and subscribers, bear with me. A lot of time when you hear me, I talk quietly and calmly. And the people, them job me the pan. You understand? And me a fear hide and no. And I do the dope so me can post up the video. But now me at home. Yes, me can drop it like it's at right there. So yes, but let me get back to the situation. Yeah. The lady, she's been talking about the water crisis. You understand? And they do not want her to speak out. You don't know why they don't want her to speak out? Because she has an influence on the people. A lot of people know her. A lot of people know of her. A lot of people listen to Amber. Original Amber we are talking about, you know. You understand? Radio station personality. You understand? She's a radio personality. Yeah? And she always, always give good feedback and stuff like that. And, she's just talking about the crisis. She's talking the truth. She never be disrespectful. She never said nothing wrong. So when you have a government like that, reach out to a radio station, allegedly, I'm not sure, but when you have if I saw it go, when you have a MP, yeah, where him is responsible for the water, and he's behaving like that, we in a trouble. Them are people here with them are people here with move them up from out the House of Parliament. They serve no purpose. They serve no purpose, my viewers and subscribers. And now we the people who in a crisis and drought to happen, we have to take it to the street. When things are happening to you, have to come out and protest against it. Protest against it. Andrew must go. Matthew Samuda must lift up. The whole of them fi resign. The whole of them listen. You see, everything will happen. I hope you remember when general election coming, man. Because the last time, you don't remember nothing. Amount of things Andrew Wallace do. And the whole of them run out and was so upset and mad about everything. And you still come out and come. But you vote for Andrew Wallace. You make sure so you learn from this drought. Because you think you see nothing yet. You think you see nothing yet. And you're not ready for it yet. You stay there. You stay there. No listen and not do the right thing. Andrew Wallace is not here to protect us and make sure so Jamaican people good. That the purpose there. Andrew Depan the ground for a different thing. Andrew Depan. Uno say Andrew build up himself. Andrew build up himself, build up apartments, build up this business after business. Yeah, while Jamaican people now have nothing. Try to empower people. In just full of chat. Get a youth for be a star. Get a youth to be a star. And then he's coming out breaking the law again. Acting unlawfully. Breaking the law again about the youth. Hey, listen to me. I'm telling you something, man. Andrew Honest is not somebody we have play with. You understand? When I say Andrew Honest and say, Prime Minister wear clocks, Prime Minister dancer. Listen, not because I say Andrew Honest wear clocks or Andrew Honest I be jovial on stage and I dance and I go on and I say my good Prime Minister. When you look at the work that he's doing in the country, what is he doing for poor people? Let me call them middle class. Because I know so the poor thing no work around here. We not even want to use that the term there. You understand me? Yeah. So what is he doing for the middle class people? Andrew Honest not do nothing for we. Andrew Honest not do nothing for the Jamaican people at all. This is why I kept saying the man feel lift up. General election a come. You no think twice. You understand? You no think twice, my Jamaican people. You no come out. You no labor right too. You no go through it too. You no feel it too. You no go through the drought. You no have water too. So you no do the right thing. You no do the right thing and make a difference. Make a difference. You understand me? Because really and truly, I can't believe that they really did this to this lady and then the station where she worked on. I don't understand them. You can't have your workers for years from Wapikil fill up. For years, you have your workers and you fire your worker because somebody talk about lawsuit. What lawsuit about what? Una tell lie? Una never tell any lie. She speak the truth. It is what is happening in the country. And what happened in Westmoreland, Amber was talking about. You understand? But true, because Matthew Samuda and Andrew Holness, the all of them do not want the people them. Because remember, they know say a lot of people, a lot of older people, when I have YouTube, they will like to listen to the radio station. You understand? So what them do know, they don't want them, the people they know what go on. But them are idiot. Them a eat that. Listen, the hotel worker them, they know what go along. Most them come out come chat. Them know what is going on. So they know where the water come from. And they really cock up a go and uno enough of uno labor right. And know say Andrew Wallace are wicked. And every day you come out, you shame like a dog. You come out and go like say Andrew a good somebody. Uno too stupid, enough of uno labor right. Uno fool. Because the man not treat uno good. He not help the people of Jamaica and una jump up every day and talk about una die-hearted. Una feel take with that the die-hearted mentality there. He not bring una nowhere. Start thinking as a Jamaican. I never know say in 2024 people still have die-hearted mentality. I cannot believe that. In 2024, una still die-hearted. Una fi start think like a Jamaican. Stop think die-hearted. Una alone I think die-hearted. Let me tell you now. People of Jamaica that are labor rights. Una alone I think die-hearted. Cause Andrew, as far as me see, Andrew no give a shit about uno. As far as me see, Andrew no care about nobody but in damn self. You understand? Because all he does is scrape. This is why he's under investigation. You understand me? This is why he's under investigation and he put your wife there so your wife can defend him. This is why they're changing the rules and amending legislation. You know, see, every rules Andrew change is unconstitutional. And Andrew always keep breaking the law. Every time he come up, break the law, break the law, break the law. I saw him break the law, I saw Mark Golding take him to court and beat the case. When I said Mark Golding, you know what I mean? The whole team. Mark Golding administration. Let me put it like that. Yeah, I saw Andrew Wallace break the law. Andrew Wallace figure prison for these things because if uno Jamaicans break the law, so I presume him a DPP I go send on the backside. So Andrew Wallace figure prison too. You understand? He figure prison too for what him do is breaking the law and he's getting away with it, and it is unacceptable. It is wrong. This to show you that Jamaica is just corruption. And Joanna's administration is corruption. They are corrupted. My viewers and subscribers, taking this.
A corrupt government cannot liberate the people. If the head of the stream is corrupt, the entire river will be also. I do not support corruption. Corruption takes money away from children's education. It deprives hospitals of basic necessities. It means that roads are not fixed. Corruption deepens inequality. It siphons off taxpayers' money to make a few cronies richer with the political connections instead of benefiting the people. This government has been doing everything it can to weaken and undermine the Integrity Commission, which is an institution that I designed as Minister of Justice and brought the legislation to Parliament to fight corruption in this country. I have said it before and I will tell you again. Jamaica cannot move forward without a government built on integrity that embraces principles of good governance in this country.
So my wisdom warriors, when you hear what Mark Golding say, when you hear Mark Golding say, talk about the corruption. You see the Integrity Commission, it was all Mark Golding idea. The Integrity Commission. Mark Golding, because Mark Golding said he wants to get rid of corruption. Andrew Holness agree, everybody agree. Yeah? Every single person agree. Them all go and do all them training. They agree. So the Integrity Commission implemented by Mark Golding. If no founder never know that. Yeah. Then you have the Oversight Committee that was designed to support the Integrity Commission. Me explain it to you already. Me explain it again. The Oversight Committee was designed to support the Integrity Commission, not to review reports, to support the Integrity Commission with any little thing. You understand? But not for review. How comes reviewing reports now? How comes Oversight Committee start review reports? It was when last year November, Andrew Holness decided to come up with a new rule, create a new rule for all special reports where him depend one under investigation, say Andrew own the six thief reports are special. You understand? So if Integrity Commission figure send over them 6 thief report, it go to the oversight committee because Andrew Honest bringing a new rule, so all special reports should go over to the oversight committee for deliberations first, and then now the oversight committee are gonna make them decision. So really and truly, we have to hold on, me tell you now already, read between the lines, because if Integrity Commission go send over nothing, that's it. Them a go hide it. My viewers and subscribers. Them a go hide it. And guess what? A pure labor right in the oversight committee. Edmund Bartlett, Marlene Malahoo, all Everall Warmington over there. Wanna hear what me say? Wanna hear me clearly? My viewers and subscribers, it is not wise for the Integrity Commission to send over the 60th report right now to House of Parliament. If they do, look into it, if they do, that special report is going to go to the Oversight Committee. And remember, I told you guys that Andrew Holness create a new rule in November. So every special report will be going over to the Oversight Committee for deliberation. And then no, whatever then deliberate pan, the Oversight Committee, them are going to bring it to House of Parliament. So that no means say, where Integrity Commission send over, them are going to come read out to we. You understand me? So it is not wise. It is not wise. At first, what I was saying, the Integrity Commission is, you hear me, did I tell you no? But when me gather now, when me get to understand and read up about the Oversight Committee, and the other day, when Juliet Holness table out our opinions, according to her, I don't know what kind of opinion that, but when she table out her opinion, that is what she said. She explained it. So me I say, oh, you understand me? So it is not wise right now. If the Integrity Commission send it over, to House of Parliament to oversight, it have to go to Oversight Committee because it is a special report. When them deliberate upon everything now, I know everything, I know what the Integrity Commission send over, them are gonna come talk about, Then tell us say it is based now after the Oversight Committee. That is what they said the other day. You understand me? That is what Juliet Holness say in the House of Parliament. So we have to read between the lines. It wouldn't be wise to send it over. Now when everything I go hide, Juliet Holness, we hide it. She good pan that. You understand me? And then we not gonna know who the 60th is unless Mark Golding win. And then we will know what one. Remember, we have to remember to a lot of people is saying why Mark Golding not come out and call out and name out the 6. Andrew Holness create a cabinet policy called this gag order. It prevents the MP them from talking. Listen. So they cannot do that. Before, they most likely they couldn't do that. But from Andrew Holness come out to the cabinet policy from way up in the last year. When I hear me, from Mark Golding come out and did a talk about the 6. That's when Andrew Holness run and go create a so-called cabinet policy. This is what they do. Amend legislation to fit around their lifestyle and everything go in their favor. These people are corrupt. I'm tired for telling you, they ain't corrupt. They need to lift up from out of House of Parliament. Una labor right. You understand? Una labor right. Una need to look into yourself. Look into yourself. The man is corrupt. Unless you're not criminal too, then me we understand. Unless you're not criminal too, then me we say, all right, me can't say nothing. You understand? Because if you're no government a criminal, and then uno all right with it, uno must a criminal. You understand me? That's why me can't put it. How else me fi put it? Uno talk truth, my viewers and subscribers. Talk truth, my wisdom warriors. How else me fi put it? You understand? But I want all the PNP and all the undecided voters to look into yourself. Think about your country. Think about your brothers and sisters. Think about them. Think about your future, your children's future. Think about it. We want a brighter future. We want a better Jamaica. Andrew Holness administration is not the way. He is not the way. Because if we not go vote for Andrew Holness, he might go turn Jamaica in a republic because they already put through the paperwork. If not for no know that. Can not for talk about they can't do this without. They can. They can no say Andrew Holness a break the law. So why you think that gonna be different? And I like say I get up and I go out and I do nothing. A lot of people come in my comment section and they not even talk what makes sense. Some I know. Me not talk my wisdom warriors. Me I talk majority of them are labor right. When I see them talk against, remember I'm talking good for the country and talking on behalf of the voiceless. Yeah? And they come in the comment section and I get vexed. Do the right thing. This is what Andrew wants to do, but he's not doing it. And the whole MP them around him, no better. Me don't know if they're afraid or a money talk. But they're not better. You understand? So so which is the right way to go? Which is the right way? Labor right is not the way. JLP is not the way. Then do a statistic other day. And it shows that Jamaica Labour Party is going in the wrong direction. So what more we want? My wisdom warriors, wanna tell me what you think. Put on an honest opinion in the comment section. Like up the video, share it out, and subscribe to my channel. And if you're new to my channel, welcome on a big up on a nice clean self. I'm out.